So today we're going to have a look at how to print titles on every page if you're printing out your worksheet. First of all, I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Control-P to take us to print preview. As you can see, this particular worksheet would be printed out on 3 pages. Obviously on page number 1, we can see row number 1, which has your field headings in, so it's very easy to see what the data relates to. If we go to pages 2 and 3, obviously we can no longer see row number 1, so it's then more difficult to know what that data relates to. So we're going to go back to our worksheet. We're going to go to our page layout tab up in the ribbon. In our page setup group, let's click on print titles. Opens up this dialog box. Now the bit that we want is rows to repeat at top, but notice also you've got columns to repeat at left. So it might be that you have your field headings in your left column. In this case, it is rows to repeat at top. So we're going to click in there, so our cursor's flashing there. Taking our mouse back over our worksheet. It's now changed to a little black arrow. So it's now asking you which row do you want to repeat, because it doesn't necessarily have to be row number 1. In this case it is, so we're going to click anywhere in row number 1 and you can see how it's selected the entire row for you and it's popped that reference in this box here. Let's now click on OK. Control-P to take us back to print preview. There's page number 1. If I go to page 2, you can see you've got row number 1 repeated there, same on page 3. And if there were more pages there, it would be repeated on each.
This topic is covered in more depth in our one-day tutor-led course, Excel 2016 Level 2. Head on over to our website. If you have any questions, do ask our team. Stay posted for future uploads and thanks for watching.